I'm going to show you an easy recipe that, when I first saw it, I thought it was a joke. But after trying it, it earned a spot on my list of top native recipes. And it starts with a simple flour tortilla. It can be regular or whole wheat, whichever you prefer.
Very simple ingredients. Wheat tortillas, cream cheese, mozzarella cheese, and a bit of cooked ham.
Tortillas, ham, cheese, ingredients you probably have on hand. It might seem like the most boring shopping list ever, but wait, let's see how it turns out.
Here I have 4 tortillas already prepared, one on top of the other.
Now comes the most complicated step of the recipe.
You have to make a cut, and we're going to do it on all 4 at once. From the center, watch where the knife goes. Straight downwards.
Let's see, one cut. Yes, that's the level. That's the level of this recipe. Super easy. If this goes wrong, it's clearly not the recipe's fault.
By cutting the omelet, we create 4 quadrants.
First quadrant, a bit of cream cheese, spreadable cheese, fila delicia, or whatever you call it at home.
Actually, any cheese you can spread will work, whatever type it is.
Second quadrant, a little triangle of ham, also called deli ham. I'm not sure if it has other names. Is it called something else at your place?
The trick is to only use that quadrant. This is actually super easy.
In the third quarter, more cheese. Use a different kind. I like to use one that melts really well, like that mozzarella.
And it's better if you see it melt because I use it shredded. And as you can see in the fourth quarter, the same thing.
And in the fourth, more mozzarella. If you thought it needed more cheese. And we're here to make fries today. Now we're going to close it in the order of the filling. 1, 2, 3, 9, and 4.
So we're going to follow this order. 1, 2. 2, then the third one. Remember, it's the first mozzarella one. And 4, the last one.
And then, this also helps to flatten it really well with something flat. A board works perfectly.
So you take the triangle to a flat surface. And with a board or something similar, you press down really hard. You'll make it stay sealed like this.
Suddenly, this is starting to be some serious cooking. All right, now it's your turn to transform it.
We're going to heat the oil over medium-high heat, and once it's hot, we place the 4 triangles in the pan. We want them to get golden brown, and that happens in just 1 or 2 minutes.
This is the moment when wonderful things happen. Because the tortilla starts to get golden brown, the cheese starts to melt, and the kitchen starts to smell dangerously good. Although if you prefer to take care of yourself a bit and avoid oil, you can always use an air fryer between 190 and 200 degrees for about 10 minutes.
As you can imagine, when they start to get golden on one side, we flip them over, making sure they cook on both sides. That glossy finish is pure flavor. And the cheese inside is turning into cheese sauce. It's melted cheese that will delight your taste buds.
This recipe always has a problem for me. Every time I look, even if only 30 seconds have passed, it looks better than before. It's a hassle for me since I have to record before eating it.
Now that they're toasted, it's time to take them off the heat. Drain them a bit so the excess oil goes away. And I repeat the process with all 4. It just couldn't be easier or faster. But there's one last trick to it. Let them rest for a bit on a plate with plenty of kitchen paper or paper towels. That way, they'll turn out crispier.
All right, here comes the ultimate test. Oh man, take a good look.
You already know which sauce you're going to dip them in?
I see we've already got dinner for tonight.
How are you going to prepare them? With flour tortillas or with whole wheat tortillas?
On the outside, crispy, on the inside, all cheese. And the best part is, it practically makes itself.
Perfect for an appetizer or a snack.
If you ever have wheat tortillas at home, there's no excuse anymore.
What is it about melted cheese that drives us so crazy?
Because an amazing dinner can be just 10 minutes away in this pan, if you like simple, quick recipes with great results, you know this is your channel. And before you go, you can tell me which ingredient you want me to use in my next recipe. What do you have at home that you want to give a good flavor and a good egg?